Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete suggested for you on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open the Facebook application, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then you need to scroll from top and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings, and in the setting you simply need to scroll until you will find an option that is in security. You will find an option of location. Click on that option, and then you need to go into the device settings and click on Android settings, and you simply need to allow all permissions. Then you need to go into the permissions and click on the location. You simply need to click on don't allow. Once you click on don't allow, your suggested will be deleted. So this is the process by which you can delete suggested for you on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.